In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from a sketch to a full vector logo using Adobe Illustrator. The project I'll be using today is called the Wiggle Jiggle Shop. This actually started out as a school project for my son. He had to create a product and sell it to his classmates. And he came up with the name Wiggle Jiggle Shop, and he was selling these super cool little pom-pom worms. We had the name, and he had to create a poster to promote his shop at the sale. So I helped him sketch a little logo. I hand drew a poster for his brand, the Wiggle Jiggle Shop. But after I did this poster, I thought, this is actually a really cool brand. I want to take my sketches into a design program and actually make this a full logo. So I took my iPad sketches and I pulled them into Adobe Illustrator. I put the sketch on a locked layer and then turned the opacity down quite a bit so I could draw on top of the logo. And using the pen tool, I traced on top of it, point by point. I was able to reuse several shapes and elements as I went. So for example, once I created the width of one letter, I was able to reuse that shape across several letters in the design. So I didn't have to trace the entire thing. And I did that for consistency because in a logo like this, you really want those shapes to feel consistent throughout. So after tracing the entire logo, I filled it in with black, so I had just a clean black and white version. That really allowed me to see the white space between the letters and make adjustments as I needed to. And once I traced it, I then zoomed out and looked at it as a whole and made additional tweaks, tried to see where I could improve the design and make it more consistent throughout. Next, I wanted to colorize the logo. I had this idea to use a turquoise, maybe some pinks and oranges and yellows. All of those colors sounded kind of cool. So I started by duplicating my design to the right and using the blend tool to give my letters a cool drop shadow. I then added this outside shape as well around the logo just to give it a little bit more presence and weight. And then I just experimented with different colors for the lettering, the drop shadow, and the background. And finally, I landed on this more simple design with the turquoise, the yellow, and kind of a darker background shape. And for a last step, I added some additional lines on the lettering and around the letter form shapes in this logo. If you like this video, check out this video as well that shows you more Illustrator tips and tricks. If you'd like to try vectorizing a sketch yourself using Adobe Illustrator, you can use my link at the bottom of this video to try Adobe Illustrator free for 7 days. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more graphic design and Illustrator tutorials. Thanks so much.